Hey guys, it's Preston here with ACS Airsoft. And as some of you already know, I was lucky enough to win the HK 416C from American Milsim. All you had to do for a chance to win is repost their photo. Once they hit 15,000 followers, they picked a lucky winner and I happened to win. In light of winning, I'm going to go ahead and do a quick review on. Alright guys, so besides your warranty card and your manual, a few things that will be included in the box will be your mock peg box for your battery storage and your HK licensed high cap magazine. Alright guys, so a few things I really enjoy about this gun. The functioning bolt catch has a very satisfying clip. The durability of this gun, it's very sturdy, very comfortable. I also really enjoy the stock. One thing I wish they had done to the stock though is made it retract a little further out, because for me, it's just a little close up on the gun. A few cons to this gun: the iron sights. If you were to change your silencer or flash hider here, once you put this back down, it would actually be hitting on it. The peephole in the back is actually very small to look through as well. A couple other things I don't really like about this gun is your sling mount. It's very small O-ring style sling mount in the back, and not all slings will attach to it securely. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and put on a few attachments to our 416C. I got the AAC style flash hider, I got the Magpul RVG, and I got a Repro EOTech. Let's take this bad boy to the range.
Hey JB, well, warranty. Tough shit.
Yeah, that'd be his best bet. I wasn't in the game yet. Hit. Trent, you still good? Where are they at? After playing with this gun for a while on the field, I realized a few more things I like and dislike about the 416C. The wiring here can sometimes get snagged. There's not a real easy way to get this to hold down to the gun. So when you're out there playing, this kind of gets in the way. Another thing is the peg box that comes with the 416C. It's actually held together by a few screws. I didn't really like that setup. I got the King Arms style peg box, and there's actually just an unscrew knob back here. Pops out into two pieces. You have access to your battery. Screw it back on. It's tight. It's locked down. It's not going to wobble or move around on you, and you're able to play again. Another thing, I found out I really enjoy running this small platform. You know, I thought earlier it was a little small for me. I thought I wasn't going to like playing with it. I was trying to find flaws in it, kind of pick at it, see what I could say bad about it. But this gun really performs extremely well. I got my Magpul sling on there extremely easily. The knockoff Lancer Tacticals had a little finicky. You kind of really had to pull on them to get them to go on the sling mount in the rear, but they will fit after all. The maneuverability of this gun is extremely nice. You can go from right-handed to left-handed extremely well. Just a click of a button, you got your stock in and out for CQB or going field. This gun shoots great. Right out of the box, I adjusted my hop up a little bit and got this thing shooting right about 150 feet, 165 feet. In between there, the wind was a little strong yesterday where we were playing. But I was outperforming most of the guns on the field. This thing was phenomenal. This gun was just picking them off left and right.